Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Today we are going to unbox Poco's latest F3 colorway. Yes, you heard that right. Poco F3 has now dropped in a brand new color. It's called the Moonlight Silver and it is inside this box right now. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you a very quick video. I won't take up too much of your time. I'm just going to do a very quick unboxing live on the video right here, and I will be showing you more on what this new color is all about. So very quickly, yes, I do have an invisible table right here because I don't have a proper table. So we're just going to unbox this guy right here. And there we go. First up, yes, you do have this welcome to the Poco family thing. You also have your accessories box. So it's probably going to be the very same set of accessories. You do have your transparent case. You also get these very cool Poco stickers. And yeah, you still get that headphone adapter in the box because it doesn't come with a headphone jack. So those stuffs are done here. Now we're going to check out the device itself. This is the Poco F3, but I'm going to show you the color after I finish unboxing the entire box that I have right here. You do still get the 33-watt charger here, and last but not least, the Type-C cable. Alright, so if that all out of the way, let's check out the Poco F3 here in that brand new color. So unboxing it and flipping it to the back while removing the sticker at the same time. And there you go guys, this is the Poco F3 in Moonlight Silver. Alright, so this is the kind of look here. Honestly speaking, I think it is pretty cool. I'm not sure if you have seen my previous video, but I actually did purchase the blue version. So I'm going to show you guys a side-by-side right now. It has the same exact design, but now in the Moonlight Silver color, which basically just means that it is in white. Alright, so everything here looks the same. Again, the good thing about this particular design right here is the fact that everything here is in matte. That means it will not capture a lot of fingerprints. It is very smooth to the touch, guys. I love that about this particular back panel. Yes, you still get a lot of lines kind of designs over here, which looks pretty cool. But I did realize that this device here is actually more understated compared to the blue. So alright, in between these two, which would you guys choose? Will you go for the blue or will you go for the white version right here? After seeing the white, I think I might go with this Moonlight Silver instead compared to the blue because that's just too flashy. Alright, so in terms of the sides here, you do get the silver frame all over here. The sides here are in matte, but on the top here, it is in this chrome kind of finish. It feels very premium, and again, it feels great, guys. Great to hold in this in the hand itself. So it's really, really awesome here. Other than that, everything else remains the same. The specifications is obviously still the same. We do get the Snapdragon 870. We have a 48 megapixel triple camera setup, which honestly speaking isn't that great. And apart from that, we also have stereo speakers top and bottom. We have LPDDR5 RAM. You have your storage UFS 3.1. You also have a 4520 mAh battery in the back here. Again, it's not the largest because it is quite slim like this. And yes, last but not least, we do get that 6.67-inch AMOLED display running at 1080p, 120Hz refresh rate. If you ask me, this is still one of, if not the best value smartphone out there in the market that gives you maximum performance for the price it's asking. At a price that starts from just RM1199 here in Malaysia, or approximately $280 US, you're getting the most specs for your money here. Also worth mentioning is, to date, I've still been using my personal Poco F3 for almost 3 months now, and it has always been fast and snappy. Yes, its camera still isn't its strongest point, but after receiving multiple updates, it is slightly better than when it originally was. Regardless, if you're in the market looking for flagship specs at the lowest possible price, the Poco F3 is still undoubtedly the value champ today. One last look at this device right here. Check out the device, how it looks like. I'm just going to tilt it from side to side so you can take a closer look at the brand new color. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think this is actually better than the existing black, white and blue? Or is this just something that you might pass off? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you did like this very quick and fast video about the Poco F3 Moonlight Silver. I definitely hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and sub to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And please do stay safe everybody. Bye!